Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to create calculated fields for simple interest as well as the maturity amount. Okay, what I have here is the set of account numbers and their corresponding principal and the investment years and the interest rate. Okay, I want to calculate the simple interest for each amount here, for each account number, as well as the maturity amount after the number of years given here. Okay, so the interest rate is here, and this interest may be variable because it's vary for each account because of certain conditions on the accounts. Either it could be a senior citizens account or in special interest added, all those stuff. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to create a pivot table now. Okay, I'm going to use the full set of data. Okay, I just highlighted the set of data and insert pivot table. Okay, in the pivot table what I'm going to do, this is my selection of data. Okay, this is what data you want to analyze. That is my source data, which is nothing but these 4 columns, and where do I want to put my pivot table? In a new worksheet. Okay, press OK. Once you press OK, then it shows 2 things here. One is the pivot table report area as well as the pivot table list pane. Okay, in the pivot table list pane you can select any fields and put it in your filters, columns, rows, and summation values division here, and according to that the pivot table report will be shown. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am going to put the account number. Okay, very nice, it shows the account numbers. Okay, now I want, I just put the name account numbers. Okay, once we got the account numbers here, what we are going to do, we are going to include a simple interest calculated field. Okay, so for a simple interest calculated field, what I am going to do, I am going to click on the pivot table, then go to analyze. I am going to add a field, fields, items and sets. Okay, in the calculations. Okay, click on that calculated field. Then what I'm going to do, I have the new name, simple interest. Simple interest. Okay, then I want to give the formula for that. Okay, formula always starting with equal to sign. Okay, it's similar to the formula how we enter the formula in the cells. Okay, which is nothing but the principal amount into then the years. Okay, number of years into then the interest rate. Okay, what is the per year interest rate? Okay, interest rate, you can find here the interest rate is with this space in between the name, that's why it put a single quotation. Okay, then you add the field. Once you added the field, it shows interest rate here. Okay, press OK. Now you can see the simple interest is given here. Okay, before we go and look into the values here, first we will change the name. Double click simple interest. Okay, press OK. Now we put the name. Okay, but when you see the numbers here, you can see each number is in the percentage format. Why it is in the percentage format? Because the calculation got one of the value, which is the interest rate, which is in percentage format, so it assumes the percentage format for the result itself. So what we are going to do is we are going to change this format. Okay, go to the simple interest and value field, then you have the number format. Okay, in the number format you go to the numbers. Okay, then you want a 2-digit. Press OK. Okay, press OK. Now you can see the values are here. Okay, so what is the amount? Okay, the simple interest gained. Okay, so now I am going to do the same thing for the maturity. I already have the formula here. P into 1 plus RT. Okay, P is the principal amount and R is the interest rate, and T is the term, that is number of years. Okay, we will do the exercise again. Analyze. If you cannot find the analyze tab here, that means you are not clicked on the pivot table. Okay, if you click on the pivot table you can find the analyze button. If you click somewhere else you cannot find the analyze button. Okay, so you click on the pivot table, then you can find the analyze button. Okay, fields, items and sets, calculated field. Okay, now what I am going to do, the maturity amount. Maturity amount is nothing but the overall principal plus the simple interest gained. Okay, which is principal amount into bracket 1 plus the RT. Okay, R is the interest rate into years. Okay, you can use this formula, or you can straight away, we already calculated simple interest plus principal, you can use that one. Okay, plus maturity amount. Okay, then you can find the maturity amount. This is also in the percentage format. You give a maturity amount. Now go to the number format. I want this to be in number 2-digit. Okay, now you got the principal as well as the maturity amount for each case. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful to you to include the how to calculate the simple interest and maturity amount using the calculated fields. Okay, for 10,001 the account number, you got the 14,000 of the 14,000 is the principal amount, so 14,000 plus 11 you got the maturity amount $25,341. Okay, so if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. The Alan Sam channel button is already there, and as well as you can leave your comments and suggestions in the comments box, and you can also give a like if you like my videos, and you can leave your suggestions to improve my videos. I will definitely do, and God bless you.